This bottle play is being called The Hit. It is about a crow who gets hit by who knows what and gets rushed to the hospital by a bird ambulance. Start the play! My store, I'm back! Now waiting for my first customer. Oh, hello, Eagle. Hello. I want to buy a clownfish and a geode and a starling feather. Okay. Da 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 da. Clownfish. Da 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 da. That's not geode. Geode. Da 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 da. Starling feather. Da 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 da. That would be $5. Here you go. Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Whoa! Bing! Ugh. That didn't hurt. Oops. Thank you for saying, are you okay? Okay, now it's time for me to really get going. Bang. Ah! Ow! 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 Bleh. Oh no, are you okay? Bleh. I need to call 911 right away. Because you know, something could happen like he dies or something. So, boop, boop, boop. 911, what is the emergency? Well, I don't really care what the emergency is, so bye. Wait, what? Oh my, I need to call somebody else. I need to call a different fire department. Wait, what? I don't know, but I need to call a different 911 operator. So, 911. What is the emergency? Well, my friend Crow have fallen and he can't get up. Then make him use his legs. But he don't have no legs. Then use his wings. He don't have no wings. Then use his head. He don't have a head. Then how is he even talking? He's not. And use his tail. He don't have a tail. Use his body. He don't have a body. Boop, 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 boop. Did they really just hang up on me? I guess that prank wasn't too good. We really need to get to the hospital. 911. What's the emergency? My friend Crow has fallen and he can't get up. I hit him by a feather. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my gosh, they don't believe him that I hit him by a feather? Okay, how about this? Boop, boop, boop. 911, what is the emergency? My friend Crow got hit by a building. We're coming right away. Finally, you're here. Yeah, finally, you get out of the way. Ow. Bring him on. Why do I have to do it? You're the ambulance driver. There you go. And so they rushed to the hospital very fast as they could because Crow got hit by a feather. Okay. I'm Mr. Eagle. But I'm an eagle. Yep. Okay. So first, I don't hear it breathe. So what we have to do is jump on his belly, up and down, to get his heart going. Now that's the way to go. And then we gotta put a giant fan in his mouth and make him start breathing air. But now we gotta stitch that hole up that he popped. There we go. Now he's really good. Now we just need to give him a giant shot. Ting, ting, ting. There we go. Now let's put it back in the box so we can use it on other birds. There we go. Now, what we really gotta do is put a bandage on it. Oh, you're back, Crow. Yeah. It's a little tight. Yeah. There you go. Now it fell down. There you go. I guess I'll just have it like this. I can't walk. I guess I'll roll you. Let me do the job. Here we are back in the store. Are you even okay? Yeah, thanks for asking the first time. Yeah, 12 weeks later. Dun, 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 dun. I'm better. Don't start singing like those shows, like some girl shows, you know. Sorry. I'm better. Now I have a side effect from that shot. What'd they do to that shot? Well, I saw them. They took it out of a box that they reused 1,000 times, so. Oh my gosh, that's the reason. Oh my. So I really need to go back. Not again. 911, what is the emergency? That's the play. I hope you like it. And it kept going on and on. I hope you liked the hit. Bye.